Today I'll be addressing which RRFB flash pattern you should choose in your SC315 or R920 RRFB system. Carmanah's current energy management system, known as the EMS, or system controller, has 3 available RRFB flash pattern options. All new Carmanah RRFB systems ship with the default flash pattern of RFB. This is our latest version and is the most accurate based on the IA21 interim approval. For replacement controllers, Carmanah will make all efforts to match up the correct flash pattern based on the configuration of the original system. Refer to this table based on your system age to choose the correct flash pattern if needed. For systems from September 2014 and older, these used a legacy flash pattern that is no longer compliant. Under IA21, these systems need to be upgraded when they are serviced or replaced. This involves a new energy management system for each system at the crossing so the flash pattern meets the current standard for all systems. With RRFBs, you'll want to ensure it is wired correctly so that the left side of the light bar flashes first. Reversing the wiring will flip this around with the right side flashing first instead. For more videos and information, please visit us at support.carmanah.com.